Hello everyone, we are the group 7 and we are here to discuss about the matching type test format. The matching type test format. The matching type test item format provides a way for learners to connect a word, sentence, or phrase in one column to a corresponding word, sentence, or phrase in a second column. The items in the first column are called premises, and the answers in the second column are the responses. The convention is for learners to match the premise on the left with a given response on the right. So here is a simple example for a matching type test format. When to use matching type test items. The matching test item format provides a change of pace, particularly for self-check and review activities. Many instructional designers employ them in quizzes and tests too. They are effective when you need to measure the learner's ability to identify the relationship or association between similar items. They work best when the course content has many parallel concepts. So, here are the example of parallel concepts. Terms and definitions, objects or pictures and labels, symbols and proper names, causes and effects, scenarios and responses, principles and scenarios to which they apply.
Thank you, Mr. Padon. So the next is the construction guidelines in making a matching type test. So if you're excited to use a matching type test, take the time to construct items that are valid and reliable. So here are some guidelines for this. So first, two-part directions. So in this, you are clear directions at the start of each question need two parts. So the two parts are first, how to make the match. So this in the first part you need to think on how are you going to make the match in column A and column B. It's up to you on how you um, give that test. Second is the basis for matching. So it responds with a premise. You can also include whether items can be reused, but often pre-built templates don't allow for this. So, for example, drag each career name in column B to the best definition in column A. So, no items will be used more than once. So second, parallel content. Within one matching test item, use a common approach such as all terms and definitions or all principles and scenarios to which they apply. Next is the plausible answers. So all responses in column B should be plausible answers to the premises in column A. Otherwise, the test loses some of its reliability because some answers will be giveaways. So when you are doing a matching type test, it should be the answers is plausible, which is reasonable or believable answers. Next is clueless. Ensure your premises don't include hints through grammar, like implying the answer must be plural, or hints from word choice, like using the term itself in the definition. And that's my end. Miss Meraline Corbo will be continue to discuss or to explain the other guidelines in making matching type test. Number 5. An equal response. You should present more responses than premises, so the remaining responses don't work as hints to the correct answer. This is not often possible with using a template. Number 6. Limited response. Avoid long lists of premises in the first column. This is due to the capacity limitations of working memory. Even less might be better depending on the characteristics of audience. Last is one correct answer. Every Every premise should have only one correct response. Always double check to make sure each response can only work for one premise. Thank you.
So now we will talk about the advantages and disadvantages of the matching type test format. So for its advantages, first is it provides objective measurement of student knowledge, allow the comparison of related ideas, concepts, or theories, great for users who have a lower reading level, less chance for guessing than other question types, more engaging for users, easy to grade on paper, and easy to read. For its disadvantages, it is time-consuming for user taking tests, especially if test is timed. It also can take time to create questions, is then disengaging for the user if having to search through many matches, may overestimate learning due to the influence of guessing, and may limit assessment to lower levels of understanding. So that is all for the matching type test format. Thank you for listening.